If you want to get paid in PayPal and you want to receive some money in your PayPal account without you spending any money whatsoever to start this business, that means zero money out of pocket. You can get some PayPal money right now if you follow this method that I'm going to show you in this video. So make sure you keep watching this video over and over again. So welcome. If this is your first time here to my YouTube channel, my name is Andre and I create multiple videos of how to make money online. So if this is your first time here, I want to say welcome. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and become a part of the family. And share this video right now. Share it with somebody who you think this video will benefit and it will help them. And the more you share the love, the more you will get some love as well. So super excited for this video. Again, watch it all the way to the end. Don't try to skip ahead, and we're gonna get started right now. So yes, if you got a PayPal account and you want some PayPal money for free without you taking money out of your pocket, then this video is going to be for you. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to go over to this website, and you want to search for this website that is called freeplrdownloads.com. Once again, freeplrdownloads.com. And what we're going to be doing, we're going to use a very unique way to make money online. Now, as I said before, the method that I'm going to show you here, you don't need any money out of your pocket. You can get started. I'm going to show you how to set everything up, and you can start getting paid over and over again. So here, this is like free PLR downloads. So these are free digital products that you can use. If you look over here, you can see all the different niches that you can choose from. You have addiction, you have advertising, you have affiliate marketing, Amazon, there's articles marketing, baby boomer, beauty, there's blogging, there's bodybuilding, business, camping, ClickBank as well. Most of you probably heard of ClickBank before. There's CPA marketing, there's Forex. So if you want to get into the Forex niche, you could do that. If you want to go into the internet marketing, that's good. If you want to go with law of attraction, list building, make money online, so many different things. Network marketing is here. So there's so many different options for you to choose from. And the good thing about this, the method I'm going to show you, you don't have to just rely on one thing to make money. If you want to do email marketing and make money, if you want to go into the cooking, you can make money with this method that I'm going to show you. So there's financing, people always going into financing. Email marketing is a good one. Forex, let me click on the Forex one and see what they have going on over here. And how to trade options. This is an ebook, Forex Fortunes Guide. There's Forex. This is free MMR ebook. So you have 1, 2, 3. So whichever one you are going to take the time and read through, you could try that. Fitness as well. There's a fitness section, and there's probably a lot more fitness because the bigger the niche is, the better options that you're going to find of different books. And these are all PLR products that you can find and you can get started. So there it is. There's lessons you can learn from fitness classes, healthy chemistry for optimal health. And if you hover over it a bit, you see there's 25 copies right here. There's over 237 different PLR products for internet marketing. Network marketing, there's 30. Offline marketing, there's only 1. Make money online, there's only 4. Let me see, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, there's 24. So internet marketing, there's over 237 topics. So I'm going to click on this because I want to see what they have over here. There's internet marketing prediction, Twitter made easy. There's a Twitter thing. There's networking nightmare. Sorry. There's Kindle book. There's Pinterest. So if someone wants to learn about Pinterest marketing, they could do that as well. So these are the different options for you to choose from. Your first online business, this is good. Viral marketing maniac, If I click on the other page, you will see more. There is video marketing hack, online trio, social network secrets, simply joint ventures. So social media hero, SEO spy. This they're talking about SEO here. Promote your site successfully. Lead avalanche, online ads, web traffic, right? Online customer service engagement. Let me click on the third one. So you get the idea where I'm coming from. You can find the different products. What you can do, you can download it. So let's say you want to do like the home business stuff. For example, I'm gonna click on this. Once I click on this, you'll see a section down here where you can download everything. So you download here, click on the download tab. Once you download it, it's downloading. I'm gonna just grab this over here. Let me move this back here. Put this right there, right? Just shift my computer and everything just shift. All right, so once you download everything, the next place you're gonna go to this website that is called gumroad.com. So gumroad.com, it is free, absolutely free. You can go to Google and you can search for it. You can type in Gumroad, and once you type in Gumroad, there it is, gumroad.com. It is free, but of course, if you want to pay premium membership, you're gonna get a little bit of money. So you can start by selling, start selling. You can set up your account, put all the information. You can put membership where people can charge. People get charged every month. So if you want to set it up where they get charged $5 every month, pre-order, you could do that. Start selling today, which is just one-time payment. So let's say we want to name this product. Let's go with, let me see. So we're gonna go with, let me move this over here. Move this here. So let's go with internet marketing. If we want to call it internet marketing, we want to sell this for, let's say, $15. Sell it for $15. This contains one or more physical goods. No, it doesn't. We can click on next. When we click on next, what we're going to be doing, you can put the description here. So what you just download, home business, you can just copy this thing right here. Copy this description if you want. Copy the description, you could type it out and you can put the description in here. Type it out. Home-based business. And all the information that you see here. You can just type it out. Now, once you're done, you can upload the image. So we're gonna upload the image. It was a home-based business. So we're gonna come on here. This is the e-cover. We can choose this one. We can choose that 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 one. This one looks more like a book, so we're gonna go with that. All right, so you see that? So this is what the customers are going to see. You can, I want this now, buy this. You can put pay, I want this, whatever. You can add additional information, and now what you can do is you're going to upload the files from your computer. All right, so we're going to upload the files, desktop, here. These are the files here that you can just upload these files. Okay, files are done. Create unique license keeper sale, you could do that. Stamp PDF with buyer information, you could do that if you want. $15, all customers to pay what they want. Allow customers to pay what they want. No, $15, that's what we're gonna sell it for. Now you could do this, allow customers to choose quantity, all that stuff. And Once you set this up, this is going to be your preferred link. So this is going to be your link up here. You can publish this, right? You can redirect them to the publish link where they can get, where you get that special link. You can redirect them here if you want. You can copy a link. Once you copy a link, you want to go and promote it because it looks good. It's an affiliate link. The next thing you have to do if you want to get more customers is you have to start to promote it. So you can head on over to various different Facebook groups, right? So you can go to different Facebook group and you can type in make money online groups. You can find make money online groups. You can find home-based business groups. All right, there it is, home-based business. Join these groups and you're going to share your links. You can share your links. You can also go onto Instagram. You can create an Instagram account as well. All right, create an Instagram account and you can start to promote. Let's say you want to go home-based business. You could do this and you can create an account. You can create something like this where you can put up different pictures and then people can find you. So make sure you share your links. Don't go spamming your links all over the internet. Make sure you do it good. Make sure it's effective and all that. So I hope this video helped. I want you to go out there and crush it right now and start making money using this. A free way to get some PayPal money into your account. This is free PayPal money. You don't need to take money out of your pocket and you're going to get started. Now, if you don't want to do anything like this and you want to find a way how you can leverage your time and you want to see my #1 recommendation, I highly recommend you check out the first link in the description. Make sure you check out the link in the description under my video for you to get started right now. Appreciate you. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Peace.